What really sets us apart from our competitors is for how long we've been in the industry, the experience that we've gained from working with repeat customers. That's one of the primary functions. You're really just talking to the customers, seeing how we can evolve their processes to improve and help on the drying or curing times. It also comes in terms of the equipment design and functionality of it, so that we can offer flexible systems that aren't really suited just for one mode of operation, but can also be used for a multitude of different materials within the same industry.